Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video from Dinh Duy Cuong. In today's video, I'll be answering a question from one of my students. The question is, when printing a pattern, how do you make the seam and internal lines appear as dashed lines? Now go ahead and open the Maxplot section for me. This is the section where you process the pattern so it can be sent to the printer. After that, right-click on the annotation section and select Open. If you are looking to modify both the internal line and the seam line so that they appear as dashed lines, you need to pay close attention to these specific steps. First, for the internal line, which is labeled as Label I, you should change it to LT2. Additionally, if you also want to change the seam line to a dashed line, you must click on Label S and then change LT1 to LT2. Once you have completed these adjustments, you will need to click the Save button to ensure all your changes are applied correctly. Then, you will close this window. Now you will click Process, select Yes to All and open the Plotter Control panel. You will go ahead and open up the file that you just exported as a PLT file. Now, you can very clearly and immediately see that the internal line and the seam line have become distinct dashed lines. Goodbye and see you in the next sharing videos.